Welcome to Boral Computer-Based Training, otherwise known as CBT. This CBT is called Introduction to Oracle and covers the user interface and common operations of the Oracle application system developed for Boral. The CBT is designed to give you a hands-on understanding of how the Oracle screens work. Hands-on means that from time to time, we will be asking you to get involved by entering data and performing various operations. To assist in this, the Boral character is used to indicate the task you need to perform. In a moment, we will get you to click on the Go sign to start the CBT. But first, a little information. Whenever you need to do something, the instructions will be spoken and also written on the whiteboard. If you don't perform the action after a set period, you will be prompted again on the whiteboard. To get started, click on the Go sign now. This is the main menu showing the topics covered in this CBT. This area displays the current menu or submenu and how far you have advanced through the CBT. Ticks in the option boxes indicate a completed topic. Each topic is examined in order. You can repeat topics as often as you wish. The CBT Control Panel allows you to replay the previous screen, replay the current screen, go to the next screen, pause the CBT, restart the CBT. Access the main menu. As you progress, the truck's position shows how far you have progressed through the current topic. Just click on the option you require. This completes the first topic, Introduction to CBT. If you are ready to move on to the next topic, Introduction to Oracle Applications, click on the Next button in the bottom right corner. Click on Introduction to Oracle Applications to start the next topic. Oracle is a suite of integrated business applications which have been customized to suit Boral's businesses. Oracle is a GUI application, which means it has a graphical user interface. Each application is a separate module accessed by choosing from a set of responsibilities after you log on. We'll show you how to do this later. For now, let's take a brief tour of each of the Oracle modules implemented at Boral. Click on the Next button in the bottom right corner. The General Accounting module is used to run the accounting functions for your business group. The Fixed Assets module is used to manage and control the assets owned by your business group. The Accounts Payable module is used to manage the payment of invoices. The Cash Management module is used to manage miscellaneous cash transactions. The Procurement module is used to manage all purchasing elements. The Inventory module is used to track and control the goods and services bought and sold by your business group. Click on the Next button in the bottom right corner. The Oracle modules are linked or integrated with each other. This means that information entered in one module is automatically available in others. For example, if you enter a supplier's details in the Procurement module, those details don't need to be re-entered in Accounts Payable. Together, these modules make up the Oracle Applications Financial System. Now that you have an overview of Oracle Application System, we can start examining how to use the system. Click on the Next button in the bottom right corner. Click on Navigation to start the next topic. This topic examines how to access Oracle applications and navigate your way around the system. There are a number of subtopics within this section. This first subtopic looks at how to log on to Oracle applications and select a responsibility from the Navigator. Before you can access a specific module, you need to log on. Logging on involves accessing the Windows 95 desktop. double-clicking on the Oracle Applications icon, entering your username, entering your password, and clicking on the Connect button. We'll demonstrate these steps, then you can try it yourself. To access the Windows 95 desktop, you only need to turn on your computer. We'll assume you have already completed this step. To access Oracle Applications, you need to double-click on the Oracle Applications icon. The Oracle Applications login screen opens. You now need to enter your username. We'll use the username Boral for this demonstration. Your username is one word identifying you within Oracle. It is always displayed in uppercase, even if you type it in lowercase. To move to the password field, you press the Tab key or click in the field. When you enter your password, the letters appear as asterisks. We are using a 7-character password for this demonstration. To complete the logging on procedure, you click on the Connect button. If you like, you can also press the Enter key or Tab key. The system validates your username and password. If you have entered an incorrect username or password, an error message is displayed. You then need to re-enter the username and password. If you have entered the details correctly, the Navigator or Responsibilities list is displayed. We'll discuss this in a moment. Now it is your turn to log on. Click on the Next button in the bottom right corner. Remember the steps involved. Access the Windows 95 desktop. Double-click on the Oracle Applications icon. Enter your username. Press the Tab key. Enter your password. Click on the Connect button. We'll assume you have turned on the computer. Double-click on the Oracle Applications icon now. When you use the real Oracle system, you will be given a username and a password before you start. For the purposes of this CBT, enter any one-word username. The system automatically inserts your username in uppercase. Enter pass123 as the password. To complete your logon, click on the Connect button. Depending on your authority level, you may now need to select a responsibility. However, if you have only been given one responsibility, you won't see this screen. Click on the Next button in the bottom right corner. During this exercise, we will demonstrate how to select or switch responsibilities. We will select PO Boral Purchasing Admin as the responsibility. To complete the selection, you click on the OK button. If you prefer, you can just double-click on the required option. When you have selected your responsibility, Oracle displays the Navigator for that responsibility. The Navigator is a type of menu from which you select individual functions. We'll deal with the Navigator in detail in the next topic. Before we leave the Responsibilities section, we need to look at how you can change your responsibility once you are working in Oracle. The Switch Responsibility icon allows you to change responsibilities. Remember that the responsibility selected determines the options presented in the Navigator. To change responsibility, you click on the Switch Responsibility icon. The responsibility screen is displayed. This time, we will select the Inventory GUI responsibility. To switch to the new responsibility, you click on the OK button. The options listed in the Navigator are now those for the Inventory module. Congratulations! You have successfully logged on to the system, selected a responsibility, and opened the relevant Navigator. If you are ready to move on, click on the Next button in the bottom right corner. The second topic in the Navigation section examines how to use the Oracle Applications Navigator. We looked briefly at the Navigator in the previous topic. Now we can examine it in detail. The Navigator is a type of menu which helps you navigate around the module you are working with and access specific screens. The Navigator works on the principle of expanding and collapsing the items displayed in the list. The first level of items available to you are listed in the Navigator window. Plus signs are placed next to those items which have further levels and can therefore be expanded. You expand an item by double-clicking on the plus sign next to the item. If you like, you can select the item and click on the plus button at the bottom of the Navigator screen. There may be further levels which you can also expand. These are also shown by a plus sign, which are indented. Again, you expand by clicking on the plus sign. No further levels exist when an item does not display a plus sign. These items allow you to open the screens you need to access. You do this by selecting the item and then clicking on the Open button. The required screen is displayed. If you prefer, you can double-click on an item to expand and select. Both methods deliver the same outcome. When an item has been expanded, it is preceded by a minus sign. To contract the sub-items, you click on the minus sign. As with the plus sign, you can also select the item and then click on the minus button at the bottom of the screen. You will soon find the method which suits you best. Click on the Next button in the bottom right. There are 3 other buttons on the Navigator which we haven't used. These are called Expand All Sublevels, Expand All, and Collapse All. We'll briefly demonstrate them. The Expand All Sublevels button expands all the sublevels of a selected item. The Expand All button expands the sublevels of all expandable items in the Navigator. The Collapse All button collapses all currently expanded items in the Navigator. Click on the Close Existing Windows option box. Lets you close all open screens whenever a new screen is opened. Or keep all screens open. Click on the Next button in the bottom right corner. Once you have expanded a list of items in the Navigator to reveal the name of the screen that you want to use, you can then select and open it from the Navigator. Now it's your turn. Select Requisitions from the Navigator. To expand the list of items, click on the Expand Plus button for Requisitions. Double-click on Requisitions from the expanded list of items. Congratulations! You have successfully opened the requisition screen, ready for input, and completed the Introduction to Navigator topic. If you are ready to move on to the Customizing Your Environment topic, click on the Next button in the bottom right corner.